Example 14. At a bookshop, a student bought a drawing instrument for X naira, 2x plus 1 naira each. Take note of this word each. And 5 textbooks for X plus 2 naira each. He spent 2012 naira altogether. How much did he spend on the drawing instrument, 1 exercise book, and then 3 textbooks? Can we put these things in proper perspective? So now let's look at it again. So he bought a drawing instrument for X naira. So let's start with that. A drawing instrument cost X naira. So drawing instrument. How much is the drawing instrument? Is what? X naira. Good. Now let's continue. That's for one drawing instrument. A drawing A. Now to look at this, 2 exercise books for X plus 1 naira each. Look at this word each. Each means for every one. For every exercise book, it costs X plus 1 naira. Now, how many exercise books did this student buy? 2. So we say 2 exercise books. So 2 exercise books. How much will this cost now? That would be 2 bracket. That's 2 times because he bought 2. This is if they didn't use the word each. It should have been a different case. It should have meant that he bought the 2 exercise books for this amount, but this each means for everyone. Take note. So since this man bought 2, that will be 2 times what each book costs. That's X plus 1. I hope this makes sense. So let's put our naira here. Then the last one, 5 textbooks for, see this one, X plus 2 naira each. Again, the word each is still there. So I'll say 5 textbooks. 5 textbooks. How much is the cost? That's 5, so naira in the front, 5 times, or 5 bracket X plus 2. Now this is what he spent. X naira, 2 into bracket X plus 1, 5 into bracket X plus 2. These are his expenditures. Okay, whatever it is. Now this is what we have. So they said he spent this all together. He spent 2012 naira altogether. The word altogether means if you add everything, the sum of everything is that 2012 naira. So what am I going to do here now? Now in this case, I'm going to add all these and then equate it to 2012 naira because everything he spent amounted to 2012 naira. So we are going to add. Let's add now. Please, again, I want to do away with the naira sign for now. So as X plus 2 bracket X plus 1 and what now? 5 bracket X plus 2. Everything cost 2012 naira. Are you with me now? So let's just expand this and collect like terms so we can get the value of X. Are you with me? Let's continue. So that's X plus 2 times X, that's 2X. 2 times 1 is 2. Come here, 5 times X is 5X. I'm expanding the bracket. 5 times 2 is what? 10. And this would give you 2012 naira. Again, I'm taking away this naira sign for now. Okay, so let's continue. Now let's collect like terms. Here, that's X plus 2X. Then plus 5X. Plus, this is 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 is 12. Is equal to 2012. Now move 12 to the right hand side. Add all these. What is X plus 2X? That's 3X. 3X plus 5X is 8X. That's equal to 2012. I'm moving 12 to the right hand side. That's minus 12. Look at what I'm doing now. Follow me closely. So 8X is equal to 2012 minus 12 will give you 2000. If I'm not mistaken. Then you divide both sides by 8. If you divide both sides by 8, what's that going to give you? So X is equal to 2000 divided by 8. Without wasting time, our X is, if you divide it, you get what? 250. I don't know why I keep writing this naira sign. In the end, I'll write it. Okay. So now that we are through with this first part, let's start answering the question. The first question says the drawing instrument. Now let's go back to this. What does this say? This man bought the drawing instrument for X naira. So the drawing instrument the drawing instrument. So the drawing instrument is what we just calculated. So see the drawing instrument. The drawing instrument, that will be equal to what? X, which is 250 naira. The next one, what's the next question? The next question, let's go back and check. Are you with me? One exercise book. Now remember, they said that the exercise book cost X plus 1 naira each X plus 1. So he spent X plus 1 naira each on the exercise book. So exercise book, the exercise book, or one exercise book. Maybe I should write one exercise book, since that's what we're trying to find. One exercise book. Give me a sec, let me check something. So one exercise book will cost, it's X plus 1. Good. So that would be what? Without wasting time, I'll just write X plus 1, which is equal to what? Okay, let me just go to the next line and write this. Our X is 250, so just substitute. That's what? 250 plus 1, which is equal to what? 251. Where did I get 250 from is this one here. See the exercise book cost X plus 1. What's X? X is 250. So plus 1 will give us 251. I hope that's clear. The last one says we should find, I think the last question, so let me just check. The last one said we should get for 3 textbooks. 3 textbooks. 3 textbooks. Okay, before we do that, let's first of all find the cost of one textbook. Let's go and check again. Let's go and check again. Now, that is, you see, the textbook cost X plus 2 naira each. So let's use that. X plus 2. X plus 2. So the cost of one textbook is X plus 2, which is 250 naira plus 2. And that's 252 naira. Is that okay? Now, but that's not what we're asked to find. They say we should find 3 textbooks. So therefore, 3 textbooks will be equal to what? 3 times 252 naira, because one textbook costs 252 naira. So 3 textbooks we call 3 times that. 3 times 252 without wasting time would be 756. Please, you can confirm this by yourself. I really want to wrap up this because of time. Okay, I think this is all so far. I really want you to go and check, see what we did from the beginning, see how we got the value of X, see how we use that value of X to get to answer every other question in this particular question. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.